In a quarter mile, turn right onto New York 10 North.
Anyways, we're just traveling along here all by my lonesome, and it would be nice to have me a compadre here to converse with and enjoy the experience, but also sometimes it's just great to just do it by yourself, because then you don't have to wait for anybody. And this was some pre-word. Anyways, this is kind of spontaneous kind of deal. I just left when I wanted to, and when you get more people involved, you got to go by their schedule. And even when you have a lady or a man or whatever kind of friend you want to travel with you, it does become kind of a pain in the ass, because they don't want to. Not as many people are spontaneous like you and I. And I had a few days off of work, and I wasn't just going to sit around in the apartment. So I thought I'd get out and see the world, so to speak, take a little drive. As you can see, I don't have a co-pilot. I'm all on my lonesome. I don't have a travel companion. So I'm still looking for one of those. Those are hard to come by, as I have discovered. And I'm not exactly a normal human being, and I don't exactly act normal. So maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know. But anyways, this isn't an advertisement to find me a lady friend. This is just me talking while I'm driving. And again, nobody there. And the tissues aren't because I'm crying. The tissues is because when I drink my coffee... When I drink my coffee, I get gooky on this side of my face, and I'm not sure why it's specific to that side of my face. I don't know why it gravitates there, but I take the tissue and get that crap off of there. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Maybe because I'm not even in the South or anything. I'm South New York. If you can't hear in the background, my engine's a little struggling just to the fact that we're going up into the mountains. And so it's taking a little extra horsepower there to get up those there roads, up those steep roads there. So it's very nice out. It's not raining. Why am I giving a weather report? So normally on my GPS, what I do is I take all the tolls and all the throughways off. It takes a little longer to get there, obviously, but I like going the back roads. I absolutely cannot stand when someone is behind me. I know they're public roads. I know it's not their fault, but I like to take my time and look around without trying to be too annoying. So I do go the speed limit. Well, people seem to get angry even when you go the speed limit. They want you to go about 10 miles an hour faster, but that's their problem. They can go around me, and life goes on. So I just had a delicious breakfast at Darlene's Kitchen, and I originally just stopped here to use the Dairy Queen, but it says Darlene's Kitchen parking only, and I didn't want to be towed, so I guess I had to eat.